Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to disable the NVIDIA FPS counter overlay that appears on your Windows home screen in the top right corner. So here I am on my Windows home screen, and you'll notice this annoying FPS counter overlay in the top right corner. And it just stays there even if you open other applications, which is when it gets annoying. Well, there is a simple solution for that. If you just use ALT+R on your keyboard, and it will just toggle off the NVIDIA FPS counter overlay. Now, if that still does not work for you, you can open your NVIDIA application from your system tray and then use ALT+Z on your keyboard to open this left side panel, and then click on Statistics at the bottom left corner. And from this Statistics Overlay section, you use this toggle button. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.